Need to log out of your X account, but not sure how? No worries, I've got you covered. Whether you're using someone else's device or just want to switch accounts, here's what to do. First, open the X app on your device and make sure you're on the main page. Next, look for your profile or account icon. It's usually in the top left or right corner. Tap on it and a menu will appear. From there, go to Settings or Account Settings. This may be labeled differently depending on the app's interface. Once inside, find the option related to your account or profile settings. This is where you'll see the Logout button. Tap Logout, and a confirmation message might pop up asking if you're sure. Just confirm by selecting Yes or Log Out. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your X account. If you have multiple accounts linked, the app may switch to another one automatically. Hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.